The best floor jack for cars provides a stable and secure platform for the vehicle, reducing the risk of accidents or injuries while working underneath it. Floor jacks are available in different sizes and weight capacities, making them suitable for lifting a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and trucks. Also, the floor jacks are typically lightweight and easy to move around, making them convenient for use both at home or in a professional mechanic's shop. Number 5. Torin Black Jack. A heavy-duty floor car jack with a low-profile design. It is priced at around $400. The Trolley jack is perfect for anyone who needs an emergency jack for their car or small SUV. Before use, make sure to use the jack on a hard level surface to avoid personal injury and property damage. To raise the vehicle, move the jack into position. Align with the jack handle and the release valve. Rotate the release valve by turning the handle clockwise until it is firmly closed. Insert the handle end of the handle socket, then pump the handle to raise the jack until the saddle contacts the lifting point. Continue to pump the jack handle to lift the vehicle to the desired height. After lifting, support the load with the appropriate integrated vehicle support stands before getting under or working on the vehicle. Once the jack stands have been placed under the vehicle, verify no one is near the vehicle before lowering. You may then begin to slowly rotate the release valve with the handle counterclockwise to allow the vehicle to lower safely on the jack stand. To lower the vehicle, simply place the jack under the vehicle lifting point once again. Then rotate the release valve by turning the handle clockwise until it is firmly closed. Insert the handle into the handle socket, then pump the handle to raise the jack until the saddle contacts the lifting point. Continue to raise the vehicle high enough to allow clearance for the jack stands to be removed. Then carefully remove the jack stands. Then lower the jack by grasping the handle firmly, so your hands do not slip, and to ensure the release valve does not rapidly lower. Carefully open the release valve by slowly turning the handle counterclockwise. Remove the jack once the vehicle has been completely lowered. In the fourth position, we have the Powerbuilt Xtra Low Profile Floor Vehicle Jack with Safety Bar. Best for low cars. You can buy it for about $280. Lift almost any car or truck in your garage with the Powerbuilt 2.5-ton Low Profile Floor Jack. You'll save time and effort doing it, thanks to the fast lift feature. The dual piston pump raises the lift arm to max height in just 7 pumps. The low profile design means this jack will fit under cars as low as 3 inches. Yet it offers a max lift height of 19.5 inches, so you can use it on trucks too. Use the built-in foot pedal to position the saddle properly, and corral those runaway lug nuts in the handy storage tray. Thanks to the heavy-duty design and premium components, you'll enjoy years of trouble-free service. Like all Powerbuilt jacks, it's certified to meet or exceed ASME standards. From sports cars to SUVs, lift them fast, and lift them easily, with the Powerbuilt 2.5-ton Low Profile Floor Jack. Number 3. ProLift F767 2-ton Floor Jack. It is the best budget floor jack for your garage or workshop. You can find it at a reasonable price of $90. The ProLift F767 2-ton floor jack is a reliable and durable tool for lifting low-clearance vehicles. Its extra low profile allows it to easily fit under vehicles with a clearance of only 3/2 inches, and it has a lifting range of 3/2 inches to 14 inches, providing plenty of height for most jobs. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the ProLift F767 is built to last and can handle up to 2 tons of weight. The jack also features a patented bypass device that protects against overpumping and a built-in safety valve that provides overload protection, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the ProLift F767 2-ton floor jack is a reliable and efficient tool that will help you get the job done right. The second product on our list is the ROGTZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack Kit. This is one of the best electric jacks you can buy. It has a price of $170. Turn on the warning light as a reminder. Park the car well, and ensure that the car has been braked safely. Choose an appropriate position for the jack, where the car body can provide good support. Insert the power cord into the cigarette lighter and power it on. Then the other end into the car jack. Press the power button, and then the up button to start the machine. Press the O button to pause. When the car has been lifted to an ideal height, press the down button until the jack is lowered to the minimum. Open the built-in tire pump. Connect it to the tire air hole and start inflating the tire. Press the inflation button to start inflating the tire. Close it when you finish inflating. The built-in LED light can be used as a flashlight. You shall open it at night. This 4-in-1 electric hydraulic jack comes with an electric hydraulic jack, an air pump, and an impact wrench. The electric car jack is capable of lifting a car under 5 tons, up to reach its max height between 5.9 and 17.7 inches, within 2 minutes. And finally, the first product is the Torin Hybrid Lift Low Jack 3.5 ton. A solid, reliable jack that'll lift anything you're working with. Big Red's 4-ton jack is the perfect fit for the home garage. It is priced at around $260. The Torin patented hybrid jack is the first of its kind. One of the highest lifting floor jacks on the market, with 23.5 inches of lifting range. The closest comparative lifting tool you will find is a standard farm jack. The hybrid jack has 2 functions, a low profile setting. It can be used in the traditional low profile position with a clearance of 3 3/4 inches. Then in seconds transforms into a brute force 3.5 ton jack that can lift a Super Duty truck with ease. In the transformer raised position, the jack can be positioned directly under a rear axle mount of a 3/4 ton truck. The jack has a maximum lifting range of up to 23.5 inches and a maximum clearance height of 3 3/4 inches. Giving you the access to raise a variety of vehicles varying from hot rods to SUVs. Tested and approved in the street and off-road racing world for the past 4 years. It can lift up to 7,000 pounds, and has an integrated overload protection valve that prevents you from lifting items weighing in excess of the capacity of the jack.